Hello guys, welcome to my channel Himanshu Verma, marketing psychologist. So welcome back. Okay, so today's topic is like how to do SEO for clients step by step. So okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, one sec. I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. So yeah, so today's topic is like how to do SEO for clients step by step. So this is the complete tutorial. Like you can do SEO if you are a complete beginner. So you can also do SEO for your clients. Uh, all the steps are given here. Okay. So to start your SEO, you need to the first step is complete your website design first. Like before starting your SEO, you need to complete your website or uh, your client's websites should be completed by you or by website designer. Like all the essential part of the website should be completed. Then after completing the website, then the second step, the real SEO start. Like the second step is like business analysis. Business analysis means like complete knowledge of business, like how uh, where the business is settled, like what is the location, what is the right type of customers of your business, what are the keywords of your business, like who what are the your business doing, and who helped your business. uh, So these are the second step, like business analysis, complete analysis about business, like how you can how your like how your client's business run, and how is the targeted audience, who is the targeted audience, what the target audience. So and now the after completing the second step, like what are the business and the other part of the business, like the location and demographics and all those things, the third step comes. Now the real SEO works is started, like keyword research. Okay, so the keyword research is very important tool, because all the SEO depend on keywords, and we rank on Google or other search engine or SERP by the keywords. So keyword is very important thing. Okay, so you need to do keyword research properly for each page. And okay, and you should find 20 keywords at least for each page. Like if your client's website or your website has 5 pages, so you need to find 20 keywords for each page, like 100 keywords for 5 pages. So yeah, so at least 20 keywords for each page you should find. Then the fourth step comes after keyword research for your website. Then the fourth step is competitor keyword research. Competitors keyword research means like what are the keywords that your competitors are using, and for which keyword they are ranking higher on Google, or they are ranking on the first page of the Google. So yeah, competitor keyword research, and find some good keywords and include in your keyword research sheet. And there are some tools for competitor keyword research, like first here are I noted three tools. Like first is like spyfu uh, spyfu, second is Kameta, and third is Uber Suggest. I use Uber Suggest mostly, because Uber Suggest also gives 2 or 3 free trials every day. Okay, so Uber Suggest is very good tool, and you also can use Google Keyword Planner. I also use Google Keyword Planner, so you can also use that tool also. Now, okay, so we completed the four step, like how complete the website first, business analysis, keyword research, and competitor keyword research. Now the fifth step. Now the real SEO started, like basic on page SEO. Okay, so the basic on page SEO, after doing keyword research, basic on page SEO started. So in basic on page SEO, you should yeah. So there are the 6 and part of basic on page SEO. Like you need to write your title tag with okay. So the first is title tag optimization, like the heading or the title of the uh, title of you need to write your title tag in, and you should include your keywords in title tag. Then and title tag, and the second is meta description optimization. Okay, I will cover title tag, meta description, and in depth in some other videos. So okay, for keep this video short, I am just taking the all the points. So the first is title tag optimization. You should write a good title with keywords, and then meta description optimization, you should include keywords in meta description also. And then the URL optimization, if possible you should include the keywords in URL also, or if it is not possible, then the other type of URL optimization you should do. Then the heading tag optimization, heading tag is like h1, h2, h3. So yeah, you should heading tag optimization, you should include keywords on heading tags. Then content optimization, content optimization is like the inner content or the full blog content, if you write or if you are write or making a video. So the content optimization, you should include your keywords in your videos or like in your content. And the sixth part is like basic issues. Six part is alt text is the image optimization. For the written words, for the images is alt text. Okay, so after doing basic on page SEO, there is sixth step, advanced on page SEO, or uh, yeah. So the advanced on page SEO. Okay, so the advanced on page SEO, you should make the XML sitemap. So and the second is canonical tag, and third is robot.txt. You should prepare these three things. And nowadays you don't have to make these three things, like these three things are already created by the help of tools. So the yeah, XML sitemap is already created, canonical tag and robot dot. You should include robot.txt because it is, yeah, it is a part of technical SEO. So you should cover these things also. Okay, so after completing step 6, step 7 is like website speed analysis. After doing the all on page SEO stuff, you need to check your website and website speed, because if you don't if your website don't have a good website opening speed, so the Google don't prefer your website and your ranking will go lower. So you need to check your website speed for mobile and desktop. Okay, so there are some tools for mobile speed, sorry, the website speed analysis. So the tools are GT Matrix, Google Page Insights, and Pingdom. I mainly use Google Page Insights and GT Matrix. Okay, because Google Page Insights shows like mobile page opening speed and desktop opening speed very accurately, and GT Matrix is also a very good tool. And now the step 8. Step 8 is like setup of Google Search Console and Google Analytics. After doing some basic on-page SEO and keyword research and checking, you need to set up your Google Search Console, because without Google Search Console is like um, submitting your website to Google, because without submitting your website to Google, Google will not be able to show your website. And also add your Google Analytics to Google Search Console. And the nine and after completing that is the ninth step is like off page SEO. Off page SEO is like generation or backlink creation. So there are many uh, and there are many ways to do backlink generation, like social bookmarking. Social bookmarking is very main. And for off page SEO and the other ways of there are many ways of off page SEO, like article submission, profile submission, social bookmarking, Im- image submission, and yeah, and blog submission, and web 2.0. There are many ways to do off page SEO, but mainly 10 or 12 ways are most important ways to backlink generation. And after doing this, yeah, all the after doing this, the 10th step is like keyword tracking report. After doing your SEO completely, you need to make keyword tracking report regularly, like weekly or monthly basis, and handle to your clients. And okay, so these are the all 10 steps for to do SEO for your clients. So let me know how what you think about this video, and w- if you have something to comment, you should comment. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys. Like these are the steps you can do with you can do SEO for your clients. Okay, so this is Himanshu Verma signing off. Let me meet some other day.